Figma Style Unifier, why you need it. There are many design system and linting tools out there, but the linters only fix the last orphaned parameters of your design. And design system builders think you set up a bundle of styles before you even develop the first layouts. Or you are expected to use one of those bloated design system templates that have thousands of styles, which makes them basically unusable. But you often start from scratch, intuitively, project-specific and innovative, with no style and no design system pre-built. Once you have your first layout approved, you begin to craft your design system from it, so you can quickly apply the styles to the subpage layouts. And while you incorporate new components from external component libraries, you want to quickly swap their styles to match your design system. In all those cases, existing tools are not very handy. But all this is about to change. Figma Style Unifier, Design System Builder and Linter. Unify style parameters throughout your Figma layout for better design consistency. Convert your intuitively designed first layouts into proper yet highly effective design systems. Find inconsistencies or unlinked elements easily, and merge them with your system styles. Swap themes or incorporate external components and adapt them to your local or global styles in a breeze. That and much more is Figma Style Unifier, Design System Builder and Linter. Get it now on HAYWOOD.tools and make your life easier and your projects better.